everyone. Let's begin by reviewing last quarter's financial performance. Soda, could you provide us with the financial summary? We've seen revenue grow, but I'm concerned about the rising expenses. How do you think this will impact our profit margin? We also need to ensure our cost-saving measures are effective. Sham, could you analyze the trends in the expense categories? Alia, I'd like an update on the project budget as well. Lastly, let's set some action points to address these challenges.
Good morning, Nadia. Our revenue grew by 12%, but our expenses increased by 8%. The higher operational costs were mainly due to logistics and utilities. I can prepare a detailed report on these cost components for the next meeting. I believe we can cut costs in areas like procurement and transportation. Should we also look into renegotiating vendor contracts? The profit margin has narrowed slightly, but it's still within our targets. If we address these issues now, we can improve performance next quarter. I will ensure my report includes certification for immediate.
I'll analyze the expense trends and identify any outliers. It's important to separate fixed costs from variable ones for clarity. We should also assess the return on investment for major expenses. I will see value in areas where we increase spending. Another point to consider is diversifying our revenue streams. Perhaps we can explore partnerships or new market segments. I prepare a financial model to project the impact of this adjustment. With data-driven insights, we can make more informed decisions.
Thanks, Sham. On the project side, our overhead costs are a big height. If we can streamline resource allocation across teams. The pilot project in 2 regions is showing encouraging results. We need to allocate additional funding to support its expansion. It's also crucial to monitor timelines to avoid overload. Do we have flexibility in the current budget to absorb this change? Our collaboration with SELDA to ensure budget alignment. By improving project efficiency, we can help reduce overall costs.
Thank you everyone for your input. Let's finalize the action points. Sauda, prepare the detailed cost breakdown and recommendation. Sham, analyze trends and ROI for expense categories. Alia, continue monitoring the pilot project and research allocation. We'll reconvene next week to review progress on these items. It's essential we stay proactive to maintain financial stability. Let's aim to balance growth and cost management effectively. Great work, team. Meeting adjourned.
Thank you, Nadia. Thank you.